I wanted just to celebrate 3 years of sewing. I purchased my first sewing machine September 21st in 2021, and I haven't put it down since. I've constantly been sewing and learning new technique. So I'm only highlighting the projects that I feel like were challenging and I learned a lot of new things from. Not necessarily my favorite, but one thing for sure, every birthday since, I've sewed my own clothes. I've added a second machine as well as a serger, and I have really been enjoying wearing things that I've made out, especially as I improve in my craft. So with these outfits, there's certain things that I've learned throughout. Just, how to do a jacket, how to do a collar, how to do a front zipper fly, how to adjust the body in the back of the clothes, how to cover up, do a button cover up, and the invisible zipper, how to handle different fabric and what kind of interface to use. I've learned a lot and I've enjoyed it.